Okay, what I have here is a fairly rare CD, one of the most desirable of the Sound Choice Karaoke CDs. It's a Hits of the Eagles, 8125, still new in package. I can zoom in on here a little bit, give you a little bit better view of the plastic. It's kind of hard to get really good look at it. It's not cracked. There are little scuffs in the plastic film that covers it. I can't really see it too well, but I'll try to give you as good a view as I can get. This thing's brand new. It's just been in storage for a long time, and I just received it. So that's a good view of it. And I'll show you the side. Let's see if I can get rid of the reflections for you. Oh, it's hard to focus that close. I'm trying. There you go. Let's see. 8125, Hits of the Eagles Sound Choice. And if you want to look at the sides, the back. So I can flip this around. Here's the back cover. And I can zoom in maybe a little bit on some of these. So there's the Sound Choice logo. It's not too often you get to see one of these, especially one that's new in the wrap. And an even rarer option is to have it available for purchase through an auction. But there it is. Sound Choice Karaoke, Hits of the Eagles, number 8125.